Hello? All marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from East Cape Sable to Chokoloskee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Chokoloskee, moving southwest at 5 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chokoloskee. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. For the following marine locations.
Well, that's my first ever marine warning.